Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today I'm back with another series from Beat the Heat. And today's recipe is everyone's favorite, especially for kids. Today I'm making popsicles. And this is made from fresh fruit juices. So let's call this as Fruitsicles. And these popsicles doesn't have any artificial colors or preservatives. So let's start with a Melonsicle. First you need some crushed melon, which I have crushed it in a blender without adding any sugar or water. Now cover it, give it a slit on top and insert a popsicle stick or an ice cream stick and freeze it. Now into a blender, add some yogurt, some vanilla essence and sugar. You can also replace it with some honey. Now pour this vanilla yogurt on top of the first layer. Cover it and freeze it. Once the second layer is also set, pour some more melon crush on top of it. Cover it again and freeze it overnight. Now let's try making this Watermelonsicle. Pour some freshly made watermelon juice into our shot glass. Cover it, make a slit on top and insert the stick and freeze it. Once it is set, pour the vanilla yogurt, cover it again and freeze it. Once the second layer is also set, pour the spinach lemonade, where I blended some spinach with some lime juice. Pour that on top, cover it and again freeze it. Now let's make the third popsicle, that is Chocosicle. Into a blender add some banana, yogurt, cocoa powder and some honey. And if your banana is really sweet, you can skip the honey. Now blend it, add some coffee powder and blend it again. Now pour this thick chocolate banana mixture into our shot glass. I'm not adding any layer in this because chocolate has to be enjoyed alone. Cover it. Give a slit on top, insert the stick and freeze it. Now let's try making this marble design popsicle. Into your yogurt, add some orange juice and watermelon juice and mix it, but don't overmix it. Now add this into our shot glass. Now pour some watermelon juice on top, cover it and give a slit on top and insert the stick and slightly push it through the sides so that you will get this beautiful marble design. Now freeze it overnight. Now let's make this Spinach. This is my favorite. Add some fresh pineapple juice into our shot glass. Cover it, insert the stick and freeze it. Now once it is set, add watermelon and yogurt mixture. Cover it again and freeze it. Now once these popsicles are ready, you can dip it in some warm water and you can easily take this out. Now our delicious and very healthy, colorful popsicles are ready. These fruitsicles are really delicious and it looks so beautiful without adding any artificial colors, additives or preservatives. And it doesn't have any added sugar which normally the store-bought one have. So enjoy each and every popsicle as a summer treat. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave me a comment if you like the recipe. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot. Watch more videos from our channel and do follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+.